Ladies and gentlemen, the topic this time is TPM Philosophy and Activity. This is the contents. And I would like to start from the philosophy of TPM. In TPM philosophy, humanity is on top of that. Because TPM is activity based on the respect each other. And also the TPM is basically the preventive philosophy, seeking zero loss in actual seeing and actual thing. And also TPM has been getting through lots of innovations from the experience of many activities. And finally, seeking prosperity of organization, faculty, a company-wide, whatever you want. And I want to explain very important concept of zero loss. Zero loss actually have two meanings. The first one is denial of existence. Failure, defect, accidents, those should be eliminated, of course. And the second one is a denial of action that is essentially valueless. Cleaning, check, inspection. As a beginning of activity, these are required. Finally, the purpose of reduce these valueless jobs. The better the quality of work, the less valueless work. This is a TPM history. So before 1951, there's only breakdown maintenance. And Japan learned preventive maintenance from US. And in 1971, the company Denso, which is a Toyota group, started to say their activity as total productive maintenance, which directly means the operator's involvement in maintenance. Before that, only maintenance experts doing maintenance, but they find the operator involvement maintenance is quite effective. And in 1982, the company Aishin, which is also to the group, started to say the T should be entire company, not only factory guys and administration, design, sales, whatever. The entire company would be more efficient. And from 2000, TPM activity is going innovative ways. This is TPM active transition. So as I said before, from 1951, it's the introduction of PM. Initially, we did learning and investigation. And from the establishment of TPM, we start developing and survey and the cultivate methodology with lots of industries. The meaning of assessment is check your activity is good or not. And from 1991, it's a diversification of TPM. It's involving, evaluating the excellent activities. So assessment means evaluate, which is excellent or not. And from 2001, it's the age of TPM penetration. So each company started TPM activity in innovative ways. So the assessment means assess, to give them proper advice for individual needs. This is the TPM Award System. The first step is award for TPM excellence. There are two types, 8 pillar activities and 5 pillar activities. And after that, it's a consistent award. You can challenge this again and again. And you can also go upward to special award for TPM achievement, or advanced special award, and finally go to world-class TPM achievement. This is a basic requirement for TPM award. So initial step is foundation building. You have to create proficiency in equipment. And the next stage, you have to establish mechanism or system in your factory or company. And lastly, you can go more advanced stage, and you have to innovate TPM activity itself. This is a requirement. This is a number of TPM award winners. And as you can see, less than 100 companies getting award. And majority of these are globally basis. This is the awarded factory industrial classification. The biggest one of those is still automobile area. And rapidly growing is food and beverage. And there remains strong demand for chemicals. This picture shows the award ceremony, and which is usually held in March timeframe in the place Kyoto, Japan's old capital, just before cherry blossom blooming. And this is the example of KMI, KPI, KIs. Key management indicator, key performance indicator, key activity indicators. So KMI is, for instance, revenue, profitability, whatever. And you can compare these KPIs with other factories. And this is an example of indicators. Usually company shows safety first. Accident requiring day off, accident not requiring day off, and also productivity for MM products or OEE, overall equipment efficiencies, and things like that. And this is an example of how you can improve your KPIs. This is data from TPM award winners. And accident, you can reduce 9% per yearly basis. Customer complaints, minus 12%, and OEE, minus 12%, and OEE, plus 2% by yearly basis. And energy you can reduce 4.9% annual basis. This graph shows the number of breakdowns you can reduce like this. This is a profit in EBITDA basis. You can increase profitability like this. And I'm going to introduce some of the excellent activities. Archer Lake in Turkey got award, World Class Award 2016. They deployed their activity from mother factory activity to productivity, and the design and produce best, fast, unique products. So the ability to design production system and equipment, supply chain management. So they finally increased capacity and increased technology power, and they established an agile production system. So they finally got a world-class plant.